Looking for the perfect turkey recipe for this Thanksgiving? Look no further. Today, we're exploring the secrets to creating a golden, juicy, and unforgettable turkey that will have your guests asking for seconds before they've even finished their first helping. Let's start with the star of the show, the turkey. You'll need a fresh turkey around 15 pounds. If the turkey is frozen, make sure to defrost it in the refrigerator for a few days before the big event. The secret to a juicy turkey is in the brine. Create a brine mixture with 1 cup of salt, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, and enough water to cover your turkey. Submerge the turkey in this brine and let it soak overnight, or for about 12 hours. Now, onto the stuffing. You'll need 2 chopped onions, 3 diced celery stalks, 2 diced carrots, and 4 minced garlic cloves. Sauté these in butter until soft, then mix in a bowl with 2 cups of bread cubes, half a cup of chopped parsley, and a teaspoon each of dried sage and thyme. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the turkey from the brine, rinse it off, and pat it dry. Stuff the turkey with your prepared stuffing, then truss the legs together with kitchen twine. Next, rub the turkey all over with softened butter, then season generously with salt and pepper. Place the turkey on a rack in a roasting pan, breast side up. Roast the turkey for about 3 hours, or until the internal temperature reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, patience is a virtue, and in this case, it's the secret to a perfectly roasted turkey. Once cooked, let the turkey rest for at least 20 minutes before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the bird, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. So, to summarize, brine your turkey overnight, stuff it with a delicious mixture of vegetables and herbs, roast it patiently in the oven, and let it rest before carving. This Thanksgiving, make a turkey that's more than just a centerpiece. Make a turkey that's the talk of the table. This turkey recipe is foolproof, and the result is a bird that's juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside, and flavorful all the way through. Remember, the key to a great turkey is in the details: the brine, the stuffing, the seasoning, the roasting, and the resting. Follow these steps, and you'll have a turkey that's worthy of the Thanksgiving spotlight. And there you have it, a turkey recipe that is sure to impress. Happy cooking and even happier eating.